welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what could be one of the most elegant luxury sedans of the future, the 2027 Lexus ES300h. For decades, the ES has been the cornerstone of Lexus luxury, offering exceptional comfort, outstanding reliability, impressive efficiency, and a refined driving experience. Now, for 2027, Lexus is expected to elevate the ES300h to an entirely new level with futuristic styling, advanced hybrid technology, cutting-edge features, and premium craftsmanship. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing modern technology and efficiency, stay with us, because we're covering everything from exterior design and interior luxury to performance, pricing, and buying recommendations. The first thing you'll notice about the 2027 Lexus ES300h is its dramatic transformation. The design appears significantly more athletic and sophisticated than previous generations. While maintaining the elegant identity that ES buyers love, Lexus has infused the sedan with a sportier and more futuristic personality. At the front, the signature Lexus spindle grille has evolved into a cleaner and more aerodynamic interpretation. The grille is now seamlessly integrated into the front fascia, creating a sleek and premium appearance. The ultra-slim LED headlights immediately grab attention. Featuring advanced adaptive lighting technology, these headlights provide exceptional visibility while giving the ES a sharp and modern face. The signature daytime running lights create a distinctive look that is unmistakably Lexus. The sculpted hood features flowing character lines that improve aerodynamics while adding visual drama. Every angle of the front end has been carefully designed to enhance both beauty and efficiency. Moving to the side profile, the ES300h showcases a sleek fastback-inspired silhouette. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, giving the sedan a more coupe-like appearance while maintaining excellent interior space. Strong shoulder lines extend from the front fenders to the rear taillights, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The large alloy wheels, likely ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on trim level, perfectly complement the sedan's upscale character. Flush-mounted door handles improve aerodynamics while enhancing the modern design language. The long wheelbase contributes to a premium stance and provides generous interior room for passengers. At the rear, the 2027 ES300h introduces one of its most striking features: a full-width LED light bar stretching across the trunk lid. This creates an unmistakable nighttime signature while emphasizing the vehicle's width. The rear bumper is elegantly sculpted with aerodynamic elements integrated into the design. Unlike many sports sedans that rely on aggressive styling, the ES300h maintains an air of sophistication and maturity. The overall exterior design successfully balances luxury, efficiency, and modern elegance. Now let's step inside, because this is where Lexus truly excels. The cabin of the 2027 ES300h feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional sedan. Every surface has been crafted with attention to detail, using premium materials that reflect Lexus's renowned commitment to quality. The dashboard adopts a minimalist yet sophisticated layout. Soft-touch materials, open-pore wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and premium leather surfaces create a welcoming environment. Dominating the dashboard is a massive curved infotainment display. This high-resolution touchscreen integrates navigation, multimedia, vehicle settings, and connectivity features into one seamless interface. The latest Lexus interface software offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice assistant functionality, cloud-based navigation, and over-the-air software updates. The fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays that allow drivers to prioritize information such as navigation, efficiency data, hybrid system performance, or driver assistance features. The steering wheel features a refined design wrapped in premium leather, with intuitive controls placed within easy reach. Comfort has always been a defining characteristic of the ES, and the 2027 model raises the bar even higher. The front seats offer exceptional support and comfort for long-distance travel. Heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple adjustment settings ensure every journey is relaxing. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and headroom thanks to the sedan's extended wheelbase. Premium trims may include reclining rear seats, dedicated climate controls, and luxury amenities typically reserved for flagship sedans. The cabin remains exceptionally quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation, acoustic glass, and active noise cancellation technology. Technology is integrated throughout the interior. A premium Mark Levinson audio system delivers concert-quality sound. Ambient lighting offers multiple customization options, allowing drivers to personalize the cabin atmosphere. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, digital key functionality, and advanced smartphone integration ensure convenience for modern drivers. Safety remains a top priority. The latest Lexus Safety System Plus package includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and advanced parking assistance systems. Now let's discuss performance. The ES300h has built its reputation around efficiency and refinement, and the 2027 model continues that tradition while introducing meaningful improvements. Under the hood, the hybrid powertrain is expected to combine a highly efficient gasoline engine with advanced electric motors. Together, they could produce approximately 250 to 300 horsepower while delivering remarkable fuel economy. The hybrid system is designed for seamless operation. Transitions between electric and gasoline power occur almost imperceptibly, contributing to the vehicle's refined driving experience. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, particularly in urban environments where electric motor assistance provides immediate torque. Fuel economy could exceed 50 miles per gallon in some markets, making the ES300h one of the most efficient luxury sedans available. Ride quality remains a major strength. Lexus engineers have focused heavily on comfort, ensuring the suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease. Adaptive suspension technology may be available on higher trims, allowing drivers to switch between comfort-oriented and sportier driving modes. Steering response is precise and predictable, while improved chassis rigidity enhances overall stability and confidence. While the ES300h is not designed as a high-performance sports sedan, it delivers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience that prioritizes comfort and refinement. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2027 Lexus ES300h is expected to remain competitively positioned within the luxury sedan segment. Base models could start around $48,000 to $52,000. Mid-level trims equipped with additional luxury features and technology packages may range between $55,000 and $65,000. Fully loaded flagship versions featuring executive-level amenities, premium audio systems, advanced driver assistance technologies, and exclusive interior materials could approach $75,000. Considering Lexus's reputation for reliability, low ownership costs, strong resale values, and exceptional customer service, the ES300h continues to represent excellent value in the luxury segment. So who should consider the 2027 Lexus ES300h? This sedan is ideal for professionals, executives, families, and retirees seeking premium comfort, advanced technology, and outstanding fuel efficiency. It is particularly appealing for buyers who prioritize reliability and long-term ownership satisfaction over outright performance. If there is one recommendation for Lexus, it would be to introduce a plug-in hybrid variant. This would allow owners to complete daily commutes on electric power while retaining the flexibility of a gasoline engine for longer journeys. Additional semi-autonomous driving capabilities could further enhance the sedan's appeal in an increasingly technology-focused market. Overall, the 2027 Lexus ES300h represents the evolution of everything that has made the ES successful for decades. It combines elegant styling, luxurious accommodations, advanced technology, exceptional efficiency, and Lexus reliability into a package that remains one of the most compelling choices in the luxury sedan segment. For buyers seeking comfort, sophistication, and peace of mind, the new ES300h may very well be one of the smartest luxury car purchases available. Thank you for watching today's detailed review of the 2027 Lexus ES300h. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury vehicle reviews, automotive news, and future car concepts. Let us know in the comments whether the ES300h would be your next luxury sedan. Until next time, drive safely, enjoy the journey, and we'll see you in the next review.